David Pittman, Labels and Labelling Deputy Editor. I'm here on the Brotech stand with Managing Director Ramon Lee. Mr. Lee, I'd be interested to hear about your new equipment and what you're doing here at Label Expo Europe 2017.
Thank you, David. And this time, it's already our third time. It's the number 3 time we've been here for Label Expo Europe. And we bring our latest technology, the SDF Plus, which are designed especially for digital printed labels, the digital finishing line here. And we have a modular design. I think now it's our flagship in our company. Thank you.
Digital printing is obviously a very important part of the market overall. How important do you see it as a company and to the development of your products?
Okay, thank you. And we have been follow Tassus Group, labeling labels and labeling everywhere. Not only Label Expo Brussels, also Label Expo Chicago, Americans, and also Label Summit in South Africa and North South Africa, Latin America area. And we found that the digital printing is getting popular everywhere, not only Europe, not only US, also in Asia Pacific, Latin American, and even to Africa areas like South Africa. We've been there, joined the Label Summit Africa some years ago. That's why we made a decision for digital finishing to follow the trend. But for digital finishing, you must have new technology because this is definitely a new market. And we found a modular design unit to combine the different technology into one machine and to make the machine a one-stop solution for most of the label printers. It will be a nice solution to meet the needs. Yep. Thank you.
What is particularly new with your SDF Plus that we have here behind us?
Okay, and for this machine, I would like to say Brotech was the first company in the industry. We developed semi-rotary flexo technology, modularized the fully server-driven semi-rotary flexo technology. The Brotech was the first company. We developed this technology since 5 years ago. And then we combined, we designed also the new technology, full rotary, semi-rotary die cutting. And also end of last year, beginning of this year, we also developed a flatbed die cutting, flatbed hot foil stamping, and also the holographic insetting unit as a modular, and also the flatbed screen unit, and also the laser die cutting unit as also the modular, to make SDF Plus a very much higher level and a fully modular design unit to meet different customers' different needs.
Yeah, with the different needs and different requirements, how will label printers and converters be able to benefit from using this type of machinery?
Okay, and we learned a lot. We learned a lot from also the major digital players like HP Indigo. We are now, Brotech is already the global partner, finishing partner for digital finishing for HP Indigo. We work with HP Indigo worldwide to supply the finishing solution. We learned that some people, they need an inline solution. Some people, they need an offline solution, digital finishing. Some people, they need a simple configuration, but somebody, they need a very complicated, very large machines. That's why we have developed a technology. It must be a modular design, and for different customer, it must be a tailor-made solution, customized solution to meet the different needs. And also the technology will be different, and also the price level will be different. Thank you.
And with the growing presence of flexible packaging, particularly at Label Expo, and especially at Label Expo Europe this year,
yeah.
How is your machinery developing to cope with the larger, wider, broader packaging market?
Okay, that's a very good question, because I would like to say Label Expo, it's the name of label, but it's getting more and more packaging needs and a lot of customers. I would like to say more than half of the customers, they are coming here to bring the questions not only for labels, but also for packaging. But if we are talking about the packaging, then mostly are flexible packaging, films, monofoils, and also some metallized films, and also quite a lot of different, like ink mold. It's quite a lot of different product needs. And I think we realized that this kind of needs since 7-8 years ago. From the day one, when we start to design the machine, we realized that we designed the machine not only for labels, but it's also suitable for flexible packages. For example, we have fully servo-driven tension control, all of the closed-loop tension control, and also we have the heating unit, like a UV dryer, like a hot air dryer, like IR dryer. But every unit, every modular, we also have the heating control unit. We have the water chilling unit. We also have the cooling unit to cool the materials after drying system. And also, we have learned a lot from our background, because my background from a gravure machine, from a flexible packaging machine, also from a wide web flexo machine. And we learned some technologies from gravure and also from wide web flexo, which are very suitable for flexible packaging. That means the Brotech machine, which are good not only for pressure sensitive labels, but it's also good for flexible packaging materials.
Okay, very interesting. It's interesting to hear that you are seeing, as we are seeing through labels and labeling as well.
Yeah.
But I understand you also have some patented advances with your foiling, particularly on this machine. Is that correct? Could you explain some of the advances there?
Okay. The foiling unit is also exactly like what we have said, try to fulfill the customer needs for different areas. Because rotary hot foiling, some customer have that. We also have the technology, but they do have quite a lot of people, they need a flatbed, because the flatbed is good for not only foiling, but also good for embossing, and also flatbed die cutting. And also it's good for security plating, like a holographic insetting, ink register, which are very good for wine labels, for alcohol, and also for security labels. For very high added value labels, that is also a good niche market. We have developed this, spent more than 1 year to develop the unit, and now we have a good system and are doing not only the flatbed hot foil, and also we have the patent. A foiling unit, we can change the direction of the foiling fade, which means there will be no limitation for customer to design their job. The layout will be as easy as what they want to do. I think it's also a good advantage, and also again, that unit is a modular. The customer can always upgrade that. Even the machine, the SDF, has been installed after half year, or 1 year, or even 2 years. We can still upgrade that. Yeah.
Okay. Well, I'd like to thank you, Mr. Lee. It's been very interesting, and for your introduction to your technology advances. So, thank you very much.
Thank you, David.